Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Dear students, in our previous class we have discussed what is the decimal representation of rational number and irrational number. So we know that any real number can be expressed in the form of decimal expansion. So here from this decimal expansion of any real number, we can represent any real number on a number line. So one question is, locate 2.665 on the number line. This is our number line. So 2.665 will lie between 2 and 3. So here, as this is the decimal number, so we have to divide the distance between 2 and 3 into 10 equal parts. So like this, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is very small distance, so that the each part will be very small. So we have to clear it, so that if we will use a magnifying glass, then it will be clearly visible. So here we assume that we will use a magnifying glass. So let us magnify this portion 2 to 3. So 2.665 will lie between 2 and 3. So this is 2 and this is 3. Again this part is magnified already. So again we have to divide the distance between 2 and 3 into 10 parts. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is our 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 and 3. So again 2.665 will lie between 2.6 and 2.7. Here in between 2.6 and 2.7. Again we have to magnify this portion 2.6 and 2.7 like this. So this is 2.6 and this is 2.7. Again we have to divide this portion into 10 parts. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is 2.61, 2.62, 2.63, 2.64, 2.65, 2.66, 2.67, 2.68, 2.69, then 2.7. So 2.665, the third place is 5. So again it will lie between 2.66 and 2.67. So 2.66 and 2.67. So this is 2.66 and this is 2.67. So again we have to divide it into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is 2.661, 2.662, 2.663, 2.664, 2.665, then 2.666, 2.667, 2.668, 2.669, then 2.67. So here 2.665 is this number. This is 2.665. So in this way we can magnify a decimal number on a number line. Example 11, visualize 5.37 bar on the number line up to 5 decimal places. So 5.37 bar is equal to 5.37777 up to 5 decimal places. We have to represent this in the number line. So 5.37777 will lie between 5 and 6. So this is our number line. So in between 5 and 6, this decimal number lies. So we have to magnify 5 and 6. Like this, we have to magnify. So this is 5 and this is 6. Again we have to divide it into 10 parts. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9 and 6. Then 5.37777 will lie between 5.3 and 5.4. Again we have to magnify this portion 5.3 to 5.4. So like this. So let this is 5.3 and this is 5.4. So again we have to divide it into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is 5.31, 5.32, 5.33, so 5.34, 5.35, 5.36, 5.37, 5.38, 5.39, then 5.4. So again this decimal number 5.37777, the next place is 7. So it will lie between 5.37 and 5.38. In between this 5.37 and 5.38. Again we have to magnify this portion. So 5.37 and 5.38. So like this. So this is 5.37 and this is 5.38. We have to divide it into 10 parts. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is 5.371, 5.372, 5.373, 5.374, 5.375, 5.376, 5.377, 5.378, 5.379, then 5.38. Again it will lie between 5.377 and 5.378. In between this 5.377 and 5.378. Again we have to magnify this portion like this. So this is the magnifying portion between 5.377 and 5.378. Again we have to divide it into 10 parts. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is 5.3771, 5.3772, 5.3773, 5.3774, 5.3775, 5.3776, 5.3777, 5.3778, 5.3779, then 5.378. So again it will lie between 5.377 and 5.3778 in between this. So again we have to magnify this. So this is 5.3777 and this is 5.3778. So we have to divide it into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is 5.37771. So this is 5.37772, 5.37773, 5.37774. So this is 5.37775, 5.37776, 5.3776, 5.377778, 5.37779, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 7. This is 8. So 5.37779. So here we got 5.37777. So this one. So this one is 5.3777. So here we locate this decimal number on a number line. So in this way you can visualize any real number on a number line. So this method is known as successive. So this method is known as successive magnification. So in this way you can represent any real number or you can visualize any real number on a number line.